Solicitors firms will close in their hundreds. They'll go to the wall, and that will happen immediately, not this time next year or in 2 years' time, within a matter of months. And that in turn will lead to advice deserts, so the High Street solicitor will not be there for you to visit. Justice will become a luxury and not a right for all. They will have to get rid of, so effectively sack, their experienced, expensive solicitors, and they will have to replace them with cheap, inexperienced, unqualified legal advisors. They will also have to spend less time on each case, and they will not be able to go that extra mile for their client that really is needed when you're defending an individual against the state. And quite simply, solicitors firms will not be able to carry out the work to the high standard that's required in order to defend an individual under these new rates. Some of the evidence that the government obtained during its own consultation period showed that many firms are getting by on a profit margin of about 5%. Of course, as soon as you impose a cut of 17.5%, firms go to the wall. We will be left with a two-tier system whereby those who can afford to pay privately, and let's face it, most of us can't, will be able to do so, and everybody else will be left with the crumbs of legal aid. And it's very important to remember that when the state brings to bear its full force in prosecuting somebody, there must be an equality of arms, and people must be able to defend themselves fully and fairly. Otherwise, it's devastating for justice.